Hello, YouTube. Just found out today that it won't be until Monday when I get gears put in. So today I'm gonna tune my car. I got a program tune I got from a friend of mine. I just loaded it into this. I'm gonna plug it into the car, load it up, and see how it runs. I am saving the stock program from the computer, and when it's saved, I'm going to be loading in the new performance tune. Should be done in a few seconds. I am now loading the new tune into the car. It's almost done. I adjusted ignition, fuel, shift points, shift firmness, top speed, wheel tire combination, um, exhaust, cold air intake, camshaft. The only thing I haven't put in there yet is my new gear ratio. I'll put that on, program that in when I get the gears swapped out. But right now, I'm just loading in all the other performance parts that I put on the car, tune them to work together, and we'll see how it turns out. It's almost done. You can see right here. This took about maybe, look at the clock right now, about 10 minutes to program. But it's basically yes, no, up and down. But on mine, I had a custom program loaded into it from a friend of mine. So it's just going straight into, there you go. Turn ignition off. Okay, after a test run, it runs a lot better. It idles better when you first start it up. It's not rough when it first started up when it's cold. It chirps the first and second gear. That never did that before. And that's with 273 gears. I can't wait to see what it does when I put my 355s in. It also, the speedometer is closer to where it's supposed to be. It's going to be off again when I change the gears in it, but I'll just use this and just program the new gear ratio in there, and I'll fix that. The shift points are higher too. When you step on it, I can get the shift points to RPM up to the power band of the cam. So everything works good right now. It's going to work even better when I get the gears put in. Until next video, I'll see ya. Hopefully I'll have the gears in by then. Later.